how is cryptocurrency taxed here in the UK? Well, a common misunderstanding is that there isn't any tax on cryptocurrency. That of course is not true, you know. People often joke that the two things for certain in life is death and taxes, and unfortunately that does apply to the cryptocurrency sector too. Now, HMRC in the UK has released guidelines which you can find on their website which outline this in much more detail than you can ever see. So you can see the links to HMRC's kind of full overview of this below in the description. But in a nutshell, to keep the information in this video quite small and succinct, cryptocurrency in the UK is classed as a capital asset. Therefore, you're eligible to pay your capital asset kind of taxes and everything that's pertinent and relevant to that type of space. So this might be different for different individuals dependent upon circumstances. You can offset some losses in different circumstances and do some clever things with it. But there is of course a fee that you need to pay. Now as it stands at the time of filming this, again you can read all the details below in the official HMRC documents, but cryptocurrency isn't taxable until it is what is technically termed crystallized, which basically means being transferred from one asset class to another, be it from one coin to one coin or also from one coin into cash. So again, it does get a little bit more complicated and technical. To kind of combat this, I realized this was a large problem. I actually have a cryptocurrency accountancy firm, Easy Crypto Accountancy, which we specialize in helping individuals and businesses kind of get their head around this a little bit more. Because even though the regulations are all in place, as you can appreciate, HMRC isn't yet up to speed with all the very quick moving space that is crypto. So there's lots of gray areas that people have questions about. Again, we aid to kind of give advice and inform people, and again with our chartered accountants that we have that are able to facilitate all of this, although I can't do any of that myself as I'm not qualified to be able to do so. We do have the guys that are able to do that with the highest level of understanding because they specialize in this space. So whether it be a personal kind of stuff or business stuff, we're able to help on the back end or the front end or just some advice in general. But for the average person out there watching this video that just wants the answer to that question, the reality of it is yes, crypto is taxed, yes, it's classed as a capital asset, and yes, that means if you make a boatload of money in the next bull run, you're gonna have to pay some taxes. So we can't escape those things, that's just the way it goes. And ultimately, that's the hopefully quick, short answer to the question. If you'd like any more information about this type of thing, have a look around our channel, give us a like and a subscribe, and we hope we can give you some more top-end cryptocurrency advice here from Easy Crypto Hunter.